Hi, this is Lindsay Martini reporting from Candyland.
For High Witness News?
And I was the green piece today.
No, you weren't.
Okay. I was the red piece. I'm sorry.
The loser.
As you see that I'm lagging behind in this tournament. Now, the rules of this game are... Is this working?
Yeah, we're on.
Every time you get a double, you have to take a shot. We've been playing this game for approximately 20 minutes, and these are the shots I have taken. Plus, if you lose, then you really have to take an extra shot. So that would be just an extra shot.
So it hasn't really hit us yet.
7 shots, and then Audrey, it looked like she was losing because she just kept taking shots.
If I had taken the 2 shots that I was supposed to take.
But you cheated me out of 2 shots?
No, that was the last one
the
for
last
winning,
one
and then that was
didn't
the one for double.
Yeah, you get a double. So
what's going on with the bottle of Bacardi?
It's not looking very impressive. Like, if I had to say right now, I'd be afraid that we weren't going to have enough for the night.
But since we just drank 7 shots and then some pretty quickly, I'm guessing that we probably won't be sober.
Hopefully not. That is the plan of tonight. Hopefully
Alright.
we won't be sober. And we will report back later from Candyland.
Actually, the time right now, I don't know if y'all can see this. It's 9:30. At 10 of whatever 10, we're going to check back in with you.
Alright.
Bye.